So for theorem 4-1, it says the third angles theorem. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the third angle is congruent. Okay, so if A and D match up and B and E match up, then they're saying that C and F have to match up. They're equal as well to each other. So if we are given we're given a lot of information, and we have to prove that these two triangles right here are congruent. Okay. So first, we were told that LM is congruent to LO. Congruent. Okay, that's given. MN is congruent to ON. Yes, that's given. So we can say given. We also can say LN is congruent to itself, LN. So that goes back to the reflexive property that we talked about earlier in the year. So reflexive property of equality. Okay. Then we're given some more information that angle M is congruent to angle O. Okay. Angle MLN, so this angle here, and angle OLN, so this angle here, are also congruent to each other. Alright, so that's given. So if we know that these two angles match up to each other, then the third angle, angle MNL, so this angle, and angle ONL, so again this angle, are congruent to each other. And that is because of the angle we just talked about, the third angles theorem. So now that we proved we have all these angles that are congruent, all these sides are congruent to themselves, we can say that the two triangles are congruent from the definition of congruent angles.